Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 8th, 2025, and we're analyzing Litecoin ETFs. Recent news indicates a significant price surge following a Litecoin spot ETF filing and Bitcoin hitting a multi-month high. Social media sentiment is also bullish, with many expressing excitement for the upcoming halving event. Let's start by looking at the daily chart for a broad overview of Litecoin's performance. The daily chart shows a clear upward trend in LTCUSD over the last few months. Notice the consistent higher highs and higher lows indicating bullish momentum. However, we can also see periods of consolidation and minor price drops. It's important to note that major price drops have been followed by stronger upward movements. This suggests a strong underlying bullish sentiment. Now, let's narrow our focus and examine the price action around the recent price surge. Zooming in on the past 2 weeks of the daily chart, we can pinpoint specific support and resistance levels. The support levels seem to be around 70, 80, and 90. The resistance seems to be around 100, 110, and 120. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the price fluctuations. The 1-hour chart provides greater detail on the short-term price movements and volatility. Notice that even within this shorter time frame, there's a visible upward trend. There's a lot of volatility here as we approach the halving event. Looking at the 15-minute chart, the price movements are very rapid. We can see the intraday volatility and its effect on short-term trades. This chart is useful for scalpers that like to take advantage of tiny price changes. However, it can also be difficult to follow and interpret with so much rapid movement. Based on the combined analysis of the news and the charts across all timeframes, the short-term outlook for LTCUSD appears bullish. The recent price surge and positive sentiment surrounding the halving event are supporting factors for further price increases. However, the market is volatile and unexpected events could cause a reversal. Key price levels to watch are the support levels around 100 and 110, and the resistance levels around 120, 130, and above. In the long term, the halving event is expected to be a catalyst for price appreciation. However, the long-term prediction highly depends on the overall market sentiment and adoption of Litecoin. If the Litecoin ETF is approved, we can expect additional positive price action. Keep an eye on Bitcoin's price as it often correlates with Litecoin's price movements. In summary, while the short-term outlook for LTCUSD is bullish, due to the recent price surge and halving event, the long-term outlook depends on various factors. Support levels to watch include 70, 80, 100, and 110. Resistance levels to watch include 120 and above. The likelihood of reaching these levels is high assuming the overall market sentiment is positive and the Litecoin ETF is approved. Things to watch are the approval of the spot Litecoin ETF, Bitcoin's price movement, and the overall market sentiment, which could greatly influence the price action.